So we've got many favourite bits of the worktops that we really like. Especially, as I mentioned, the splashback. Really love the splashback, and we've got some lighting built in to kind of really accentuate that. But love how the texture of the worktop kind of goes up there, and that's something that a lot of our friends really like, because you actually enter into the room facing straight onto that, so it has a really good impact when you're walking into the room. But a few of the touches that we kind of really like is the little bits that we never thought we would, such as the drainer grooves by the sink. We had those embedded into the worktop, but really like how the grain of the worktop actually runs through the drainer grooves rather than just kind of stopping and starting. So it's a really nice touch that makes them kind of, the drainer grooves a lot softer into the sink. But then also behind the sink, we've got a really nice piece of the worktop as a windowsill as well. So it kind of seamlessly blends into the windowsill.